Alright, today we are in the pit. Going to do a service on the 99 Ford. Get it ready for this coming week. Got one heck of a busy week. So we're going to get the oil drained, get this thing lubed up under here, and get ready for Monday. So I don't know if anybody's seen these or uses these that do their own services. This here is called a fumoto valve. I love it. You don't have to worry about stripping anything out. It's got a little lock on here. You just pull the safety lock off. That reassures this thing from coming open. And then this here is actually on a spring here. And all you do is pull out, drop it down, start draining your oil. It's that simple. Don't have to worry about stripping any threads out on the oil pan or anything like that. So we'll get this oil drained, get the filter off, and get this thing looped up. All right, we got her all greased up. All the U-joints are greased all the way down through here. This is what the underneath a old white lightning looks like. Ain't the prettiest, but gets the job done. And that fumoto valve, I think that fumoto valve cost about 20 bucks. Well worth it. New filter, so I gotta squeeze my butt out that little hole right there and get up to the top side. All right, just a quick video, just getting ready for the week. Just finished up the oil change, dropped 4-gallon Rotella T4 in her. Got her all lubed up, ready to go. So everybody be safe out there, and a big shout out and a thank you to my buddy JR out here in his pajama bottoms for allowing me to use his shop and his pit. So say hi.
Hi.
And until next time, guys, everybody be safe, and we'll catch you on the next one. You're on now.
Hi.